How do you use TikTok to help grow your business? Using it to grow your business, I think it's similar to how you do anything for any platform. You create content that's contextual to the platform. So what we're doing for one of our clients right now, I think one of the things that's kind of making it easier in terms of the content model we do, which is like we do the long form and then short form, and then like the clips and then the short form, because it's just okay. So what we do is we do a Q&A, very simple, and we for this one of our clients who's a celebrity dentist, we do a Q&A, and we do a Q&A of the most common questions when they're doing a consultation with a client, and then from there do make that into a separate video, and then we make it into a micro content for TikTok and whatnot, add the subtitles, add a track that's trending on TikTok, so on and so forth. So that way it's not exactly like, because this guy's busy, so I can't have him sit and do a TikTok dance for fun or do these kind of things. So sometimes this guy is doing like 6-hour surgeries and he's been there since 5 a.m. and I can't just be like, hey doc, can you fucking do this TikTok challenge real quick? I'm primarily focusing on the business of what he's doing. So talking about filming, so I answer questions. So the end goal is to get people to call them, book an appointment, and become patients and whatnot. So what I'm doing is focusing on storytelling around procedures, testimonials, Q&A about the most common questions that he gets. So very kind of a little grounded, photos and whatnot, or like interactions with him and patients, because he does get to work with celebrities, so that helps with social proof. So we do it in terms of that client. That's how we're approaching it. Very focused on kind of educating the client, case studies and whatnot, and then using storytelling, a lot of B-roll, text, subtitles, using a trending sound when we post it. That's how we're approaching it. We haven't played with TikTok ads yet in terms of getting people to the website and whatnot. Just probably brand awareness in terms of growing followers. But that's essentially what we're doing. Storytelling, creative storytelling around the brand to drive real life business results. And for them, we are posting 1 to 2 times a day, as much as possible. I'm trying to push for 4 times a day, but again, the guy's busy. So, but I do appreciate that he's given Vision Paradox the authority to just kind of like, let's do it. If we can make it work, we'll fit it in the schedule.
Hi, my name is Bernie, and I'm a social media manager for Vision Paradox. TikTok is actually a great tool to grow your business. Number one, we have to realize that TikTok focuses on user interest. So this is a good thing. You want to talk to people who are directly interested with your brand, either may it be products, services, or your personal brand. And TikTok has the ability to let your content be shown on people who wants to see those types of content. So how to use it, I would say a few steps, few ways. Number one, build your videos. Make sure you have a lot of good videos, or if you have old videos, make sure to tweak it in a way it's visually appealing, in a way it's quick, it's fast, less than 60 seconds or less than, let's say, 120 at most, but informative. People like learning on TikTok, and make them learn your brand using TikTok.